don't let him run. Don't let him run. He's going a little quick now. You gotta say, whoa, Lincoln. Good. Remember, change your bend right now. Yes. It's kind of a jumper turn we threw in there, but that was really well ridden. The last two fences were gorgeous. Of course, he said, well, Kylie put her leg on me and made me do that 4, so she wants me to go forward all the way through. But it was his own fault because he sucked back like that.